Hello students, welcome to your class. Today we are going to discuss about after, before and between numbers, place value, face value and expanded form of numbers. And we will also be discussing standard or short form. Then afterwards we will try to do the sums from exercise 4.2 based on the topics discussed. Okay. So let us start. First let me discuss about after, before and between. Okay. So after, before and between means what comes after. In order to know after, okay, let me write down here after, before and between. Okay, this is between. So how do you know? In order to find out a number what comes after, you have to add 1 to it. For example, 250 plus 1. You are going to get 251. That means after 250 is 251. Another example is 318 plus 1 is equal to 319. Okay, it means that when you add one number to the given number, you get the number after it. Okay, what comes after 318 is 319. All right, now let us discuss about what comes before. Okay, so in order to find out what comes before, what you have to do? You have to subtract a number from the given number. Okay, for example, the given number is 260. Okay, this number I have taken from your book. So in order to know the before 260, what you will do? You will minus 1 from it. Okay, so that means what do you get the answer? You get the answer 259. This means what? This means that before 260 is 259. Okay. So another example, I'll take another number, that is 225. Okay, before 225, what the number comes? In order to know that, we have to minus 1 from the number. So what do you get here? 224. This means what? It means that before 225, the number is 224. Okay. Now what you are going to do is what comes between. After and before we have discussed. Okay. Now we are going to know about what comes between. Alright. What comes between is very easy. Okay. Suppose if you know what comes after and before, it is very easy to find out what comes between. Suppose I am writing a number here 229. So what comes before and what comes after? How you will find out the before number? How you are going to find out? It will be 228. When you minus 1, you get 228. And when you plus 1 to 229, you get 230. Okay, that is it. Now let us discuss about what comes between. Okay, let me write down the heading once more. Between. Okay, so between means 250 I am writing here, dash and 252. Another number is 275 dash and 277. So between and after is almost same, because after 250 what comes? 251. How did you get 251? When you have added 1 to 250, you got 251. Okay. In the same way, 275 after 275 will be how much? 276. So, to know between, that means you have to plus 1 with the first number and you have to minus 1 from the end of the number, the last number. Then you will get the number between. Okay? Alright. Now let us discuss about what is the phase value. Okay? What is the place value? Not phase value. Let us first discuss about place value. Place value of a number. Okay? Place value of a number. The value of a digit based on its place in a number is called its place value. For example, as you know, ones, tens and hundreds. Okay? So, I am writing here 597. Okay? That means 7 is in what place? 7 is in ones place. Okay? 7 is in ones place. 9 is in tens place and 5 is in hundreds place. So, the question is now, if I ask you what is the place value of 9 in 597, what you will say? Place value of 9 is 90 because 9 is in tens place. So, 9 tens means 90. Okay. Place value of 5 is 500. 500 means hundreds place means 5 is 100. Okay, 500. And the place value of 7 is 7 ones. Okay, 7 ones will be 7. Alright children, I hope you understood this one. Now let us discuss about phase value. Phase value is again very easy. Phase value of a number. Okay, phase value of any digit in a given number is the value of the digit itself. Okay, for example, if I am writing here a number 698, and if the question is what is the phase value of 6 in the number 698, then what will be the answer? The phase value of 6 is 6 in 698 is 6. Okay, 6 itself, the number itself, because the definition goes like this: phase value of any digit in a given number is the value of the digit itself. Okay. Now, if I ask what is the phase value of 9, then the answer will again be the phase value of 9 in 698 is 9 itself. Answer will be 9 only. Again, the same thing goes for 8. What is the phase value of 8 in 698? If the question is like that, then the answer will be the phase value of 8 in 698 is 8 itself. Okay. So, place value and phase value of 0 is always 0. Okay, that you have to remember. Whenever you are asked to find out either place value or phase value of 0, the number will be always 0. Okay, phase value will be the given number only, and suppose if you are asked to find out the phase value, place value of 260, suppose 207. Okay, so this is in ones, this is in ones place, this is in hundreds place, this is in tens place, right? So 0 into tens will be tens only. So that is why place value and phase value of 0 is always 0. Okay. Now let us discuss about expanded form. Okay, expanded form. What is expanded form? Expanded form of a number. See, 764. So how do you get this one? 7 is in 700s place, right? Ones, tens, hundreds. So 7 is in 700s place. 6 is in tens place, so it will be 60. And 4 is in ones place, so it will be 4. Okay, or you may also write down like this: 7 will be 700s, HUNDREDS, hundreds. Like that also you can write, or you can simply write this way. This is more easy. Okay, 700s plus 6 tens, okay, plus 4 ones. Alright children, if it is not clear, when we do the sums from the exercise, it will be more clear. Okay. In the same way, short form. Short form is the reverse of standard form. Okay. So let us go to the exercise now. Now when we do the exercise, it will be more clear to you. Okay. So I have already done some of it. See, write the number which comes just after the given number. So as I have already told you, when you add 1 to this number, 125 plus 1, 126. So this is the number that comes after. Okay, after 125 is 126. After 500, when you add 1, it is becoming 501. Okay, in the same way, after 440, it will be 441. After 489, it will be 490. Okay, after 363 will be 64. Okay, so whatever I have given the answer, you will write it in the copy, and what I have not done, this one you will do in the textbook. Or okay, textbook, and what I have done, the numbers, which numbers I have done, that one you will write in the copy also. Here also, what comes before is now same as before. I have told you in the explanation, that is, you have to minus 1, right? From 280, when you minus 1, you get 279. When you minus 1 from 468, you get 67, 467. Here 330 minus 1, you get 329. Okay, same thing goes here also. Okay, so in this way you have to do question number 1 and 2. Alright children, now let us go to the next question. The next question is fill in the blanks. It is given as fill in the blanks. That means here you have to write down what comes before, and here you have to write down what comes after. So 229, then 30, then 31. Okay, so before 380 is 379, and after 380 is 381. Alright, in the same way here, before 758 is 757, then after 758 will be 759. So as I told you before, whatever I have done it for you, you will write it in the copy, and these things you will do in the textbook. Okay, the same way expanded form also, whatever I have done here, you will do in the copy. Okay, so number 1, expanded form, as I told you, this is the easiest method, so you can do like this also, there is no harm in it. Okay, so 952, how do you expand it? 9 is in hundreds place, so 900, plus 5 is in 50s place, so 50 plus 2. Okay, 700 plus 0 plus 6. See, here 0 is in tens place, so you no need of writing 2 times 0. Okay, 1 0 will do. Then in the same way, 167, so 1 is in hundreds place, so 100, 3 is in tens place, so 30, and 7 is in ones place, so it is 7. Okay, so number D and E also, you try to do it in the book itself. Okay, but A, B and C you will do in the book as well as in the copy. Alright, now this is the last one, number 5 and number 6. So all these questions all I have done. So short form means you have to write this is expanded form. Okay, just now what we did is expanded form, so this is given in expanded form, and when we write it this way, what is in 400 means 4 60s, so in tens place 6 will come, 3, so it is 3 is in ones place, so 3 I wrote down. Okay, so in this way 400 plus 60 plus 3, you got it as 463. In the same way this one also, 900 plus 10 plus 9. How you are going to write it in short form? 900 is in hundreds place, right? So 9, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. Okay, so 900, then this 10. Okay, 10 is in tens place, so 1 I wrote it here, and 9. In the same way all these things have been done. Okay, so this is also done. See, 600 plus 50 plus 4 will be 654. Alright, so here you see 500 plus 2. You cannot write down 500, 5 in hundreds place and 2. If you write only 5 and 2, it will become 52. Okay, so even if nothing is given in tens place, you have to write 1 0. Okay, then only it will become 502. Alright? Okay. Now number 6 is place value of. So when you are asked to find the place value, see 9 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place. So 5 tens is 50. 5 tens means 50. So 50 is written here. In the same way 8, see in 896, 8 is in hundreds place, right? This is 6 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place and 8 is in hundreds place. So it will be 800. Okay. In the same way here in 434, 4 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place. So 3 tens will be 30. In the same way the last one is 7, 257. 7 in 257. So what is the place of 7? Place value of 7? 7 is in ones place. 7 ones means 7. So it is like this. Okay children. So only this much we have done today, exercise 4.2. Alright. Now tomorrow we will be starting the class with comparing numbers. Okay. So for today I am stopping here. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.